Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So right now I'm going to start another session to trade my trades. Let's analyze the market and then we will take the trades. Okay, so right now the candle will go up from this point. Okay, so I took my trade in an up direction. Why? Because you can see here, this is the level. And now I can see there is still a gap, so therefore I took my trade. Okay, so I took my trade with this rejection, and market will move up and it will give us a green candlestick. Now you can see, so because of this level I took my trade here. This is not hard to understand. I took my trade because of this level. Okay, so there was a gap, therefore I won my trade here. So let's analyze another market here. Okay, so now what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing here level, so I need to check. Okay, I can go easily with the bias from this point. Market will get a rejection and the market will go up from this point. Okay, so because of margin of safety we win this trade and there is no chance to lose our trade. So now you can see this is the level. This is the level. Market will get a rejection and the candle will give us a winning trade. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, a big loss, so I can go here with the sellers. Now I am confident that this dark cloud will work here in uptrend. Now you can see the dark cloud will work here, and now you can see this is CCI, so it will leave this market in a down direction. It will get a rejection and market will go down. Okay, so market will come down again like a bullet. Now you can see market is coming down and I got my trade here. Okay, so let's analyze this market here. Candle closed exactly at this area where I cannot see any kind of activity, so I can go here with the sellers confidently. Okay, so a risky trade because this is a strong rejection area, so I'm late here, but let's hope for the best. We can win this trade here. Okay, let's see what happens. It has to come down. It has to come down. Yes, it is coming down, and now you can see I won my trade here. Okay, so let's analyze another market. I'm going to take few trades and then I will try to explain to you. Okay, so I can go here with the sellers. I took my trade in a down direction because you can see on the left side this is the level, and always try to cover the level so it will give you a good winning ratio. Candle closed exactly at the level, so therefore the candle will come down again. There is no need to go up, it will come down. It will definitely come down. Why? Because I showed you here the level. This is the level, strong sellers, so it will give you at least a single weak candle, but it will give you an ITM here. Okay, so I won my trade here. Let's analyze another market. Okay, so candle closed here. Now I can go here with the sellers, because you can see here on the left side, this is a strong level. Let me show you here a strongness of the level. Now you can see I took my trade here because candle closed exactly here, so therefore I can easily see these sellers entry. So because of this area and because of this strongness of the sellers, we can get a bearish candle here. Okay, we can get a small bullish here. No, we will get a bearish candle. Okay, so let's analyze another market here. Okay, I think I use this. Okay, so now this whole area is a buyer zone. Okay, so I cannot trust this area, so the next level will be this one. Okay, the next level will be this one, or the next level will be this one. So let's see what happens here. I can go here with the sellers. Okay, so I took here this trade with my one of best strategy, which is known as RIG. So RIG is a very strong strategy, so it will give you a perfect trades. So therefore I took my trade here. So let's see what happens with this candle. It will definitely close as a bearish candlestick. So I took each and every trade on every minute, and if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. So okay, I can easily go here with the buyers confidently. Okay, then after this trade I will discontinue my trading. Okay, so now you can see levels are sure, and I know the levels here, and still this candle is a sign of reversal, so it will give us an ATM here. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. And after this candle I will discontinue my trading. It has to go up. It will definitely go up, and there is no chance for this candle to close as a bearish. So stay blessed you all, and bye for now, and we will continue our trading in the future with you all. Okay, so let me show you here. I took my trade here because I was sure, and I got a good opportunity with this rejection, and still there was a gap to the level, so therefore I took my trade and I won my trade here. Let me show you my other trade. Okay, so I took my trade here in a down direction because of margin of safety. I won my trade. Now you can see exactly from that level which I have won, market is still going up. So this is how you need to confirm your levels from this point. Now you can see I told you here this candle is a sign of continuation, and market is still going down from this point, and still you can see with a small candle I won my trade because this was a level, so therefore I took my trade in down direction. And I took also this trade with a margin of 6